Hey YouTube, David out at Hopper Cycle Center. Just took this bad boy in on trade about 2 hours ago. 2005 Harley Davidson Softail. If you hadn't noticed yet, this thing is beautiful. It's got lots of ads. We got Lucky 7 Fat 50 spokes, front and back, 23-inch wheel on the front. Got tons of Joker accessories, levers, mirror. It's got push button start on the dash. You can see the controls have been changed out to the Joker. Upgraded grips and pegs, forward controls. This thing is sharp. If you'd like some more information on this bike, give me a call, 972-984-9541. See, it's got a custom paint, stripes, if you like purple. It's got 12,000 miles. Got a LaPera seat. Find more information on this on our website at hoppercyclecenter.com. Give us a shout. I doubt this thing will last long. Thanks for watching Hopper Cycle Center, best little bike shop in Texas.